No way. I'm gonna present this offer to my client, you know? So get at least 11.
The phone rang in a second. It's like that, yeah?
What a look. Boom.
Yes!
First listing for broker, Ennis here.
Nice.
People, you know, from absolutely cold leads into listing them then. Viewings, offers, under offer, into the pipeline, exchange, lots of money in your bank account, another LV bag, you know? Nice. But anyway, and it's really exciting.
Yeah, so on Friday I have an interview with, after a long time of sending him properties all over London.
Yeah.
She finally says, okay, let's go and see.
This is an awesome example of just extending your chances of getting a deal done. So inquired on Westbourne Park Road, one of our listings, and Ennis straight away books her into Westbourne Park Road, but then of course sends her 3 other properties in the same price range in the area via lower res, and now instead of seeing just 1 property, he's shown her 4 properties. 2 main benefits of that are obviously 4 chances now of doing a deal instead of 1. Most importantly, we're taking the buyer on the journey and we're executing the strategy that we pitched to everyone. And she will now be very well informed because she will have seen 4 properties, and so she will understand what her 1 million or 1.1 million will be able to get her. And so when Ennis calls her the next morning to ask her to make an offer on one of the properties, she'll feel more comfortable doing that because she's been subconsciously educated on what her money can buy her. If she just sees 1 property with Ennis and spends 10 minutes with him, she's not going to trust him when he calls her the next morning and say, Gia, this is the best property that you can buy for your 1 million. But actually, if she sees 4 properties with Ennis and spends an hour and a half with him, and then Ennis is able to call her the next morning and say, we saw this one, you didn't like this one because of this, we saw this one, it's not quite right because of this, but then we saw this one, and actually, this is the best flat you're going to get for this money. I would strongly advise that we put an offer in. Would you like to do that? She will automatically be 40% more likely to do that because she's seen the other properties that her money can get her, and so she's more comfortable with making the decision. It's all about trust, it's all about relationship building. Without that, there will be no sale ever, or there will be one if you're very lucky. But we're not trying to work on luck here, so that's really good work.
Do you know where this preview is, like the address or area?
The open house.
Open house, yes.
We're going to Belgravia, my friend.
Very nice.
It's a lovely big house with some canapes, networking, food. So that'll be good.
That
Market,
was a good touch there.
Known as the open house agents. We do things differently. It's not just come in for a 3-hour slot and walk around and go home. We made an event. You know, people felt good in the house, and so when people feel good in the house, they then remember it when they're speaking to their buyers on the phone the next day. They're thinking about our open house. You know. So this evening we're going to an open house hosted by some other agents. A bit of alcohol, a bit of food, a bit of networking. Hopefully introduce some buyers to that as well. Let's go. Ready? mean, this is a lovely view though for London. You know, you're looking back onto the Mews, and you know, it's a very typical London look.
Yeah, you're in
Belgravia.
Square.
I think it's a great look. I think it's what we should be doing for these prime properties, protecting them, wearing Louis Vuitton shoe covers. It's exactly how it should be. What a look.
So where did the name come from?
Dawson Barker, so Dawson Place in Notting Hill is my favourite street in London, so I took Dawson from there. When I moved to London, that's what really stood out to me. And I live in Notting Hill now, and anyway, so that's where Dawson came from. And then I don't know if I should tell you the second part. And so the second part, so most successful agencies in London are two very posh names stuck together, Knight Frank, Stratton Parker. And so I typed into Google posh names, and Barker was the first one that came up, and I stuck it onto Dawson, and that was the birth of Dawson Barker. I can't call it. My surname is Chmielewski. I'm from Poland. I've got no chance.
It's actually the same effect, really.
So I'm going to call Z.
Completed.
Are you calling someone now?
Completed. Boom.
Yes.
First listing for broker, Ennis here.
Nice.
Did he sign?
Yes.
Sole agency. 16 weeks.
Was that good?
Rewind.
Sign.
Let's see.
Boom.
Boom, 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 boom. Now you've got to get into fire, everyone.
Is that the one in the
One we saw. Now, guys, take off the videos from Instagram, TikTok, please.
No. So what you need to do now is you need to call every agent that's on that listing and say to them, guys, I've just got sole agency terms on this property. Please remove it from the market. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm now the sole agent on this property. Please remove it from the market. Unless you want to put our client in a position where he's going to have to pay a double fee, which I don't think he's going to appreciate. So would you like to take it off the property, off the market? No? Well, please do it and confirm once you've done it. And then you call them every 15 minutes until they've taken it off the market. And then we launch it as a sole agent, drop the price slightly because it is too expensive, go big with a new marketing strategy, call every agent that we know, every broker, every buyer, and get it sold. Come on, Ed. Get the price up.
We need 11. 11 full asking, otherwise no. No deal, you know? I've never saw something under asking price. To be honest, what do you mean 10.5? No, 10.5 is no way. I'm gonna present this offer to my client, you know? So get at least 11. 11.5 would be good.
Hi, how you doing? Okay, absolutely. I don't know if you've got a bit of time. The trouble is I'm going away from Monday till Thursday, so if you've got a bit of time tomorrow, it'd be great to pop in. Otherwise, we can leave it until when I'm back if you're not in a rush. Yeah? Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, if you just want to give us a call back, we'll get something arranged for tomorrow. Awesome, thanks. Look forward to hearing from you. Yeah, so her mum lives in that house. So she bought that house for her mum to live in. Which one?
The whole fucking person knows something.
This is why you get instructions, whether they're multi-agencies, agency, nothing matters anyway, because that's when you get calls from people that notice that we are selling these other properties and they want us to come and value there. I'm going to go in, I'm going to value it, and I'm going to be the one to get the mandate. That is as good as it gets in terms of sole agency, first-hand stock. Okay? While I'm jumping on the phone, that's exactly what you two should do. You see that? The phone rang and it's like that. Yeah? The Ava's all about business, not hot chocolate. We have to get to the listing. Hussa! professional setup. Have a look at that. Looks very great.
We take things very seriously
Extremely
here.
seriously.